Hi guys, this is Oliver TV and welcome to my vlog.
Okay, let's go.
For this video guys ay aking isi-share sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin ma-recover ang ating SSS username at ma-reset yung ating SSS password. So let's watch this short video. So guys, punta tayo sa ating Google browser. Type natin sss.gov.ph member login. Then tapos i-tap natin yung member. Then tapos i-tap natin yung forgot user ID or password. Then tapos i-tap natin yung my registered email address. Then dito guys, ilagay natin sa box yung ating SSS number. And then tapos i-type natin ang code na ito. And then pagkatapos natin ma-type yung code, pindutin natin yung submit. And then we have successfully sent to your email the link to reset your password. So pindutin natin yung okay. And then pagkatapos punta tayo sa ating email. Tapos i-tap natin yung email ng SSS. And then i-tap natin yung click here to reset your password. So i-tap natin yung pipindutin natin yung click here. So dito guys, makikita na natin yung ating SSS user ID. And then gagawa tayo ng panibagong password. So pagkatapos natin makagawa ng panibagong password, pindutin natin yung submit. And then i-tap natin yung okay. Tap maybe next time. And then i-tap natin yung close. So ayan guys, nakapasok na tayo sa ating SSS online. So ganyan lang po kadali ma-recover yung SSS user ID at saka pag-reset ng SSS password. See you on my next video and God bless.